In some moments, you think you are in India.
That's the dove. First one, you see?
Oh, 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 oh. Switzerland is famous for being the cleanest country on earth. Today, we are putting that into test. Sven and I have exactly 1 hour to collect as much trash as we can.
Winner will get 10 rappen per gram. We brought our pickers, our vests, and our bags.
So, the only rule is everything what we pick up needs to be straight from the ground. Please don't pick anything from the bins.
Of course. We'll meet back here in 60 minutes.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Like, share, subscribe.
Now we have 1 hour to pick up trash around the village. Oh, is this trash? Oh my God. That's a dove, you see?
Yoo-hoo, I can see a lot of things. First thing.
This is kind of hard. Oh, there's some. I found my first Abfall. It's a sock. Oh my God.
How it works, I can't. This is like a gold mine.
First one is in the bag. All right, this is probably like 10 grams or something. We have to keep on moving. Moving.
I didn't expect to find so much things literally behind the corner. Oh my God. More.
Here is a nice one. This one. Okay, I picked this up because I'm a good guy. Right. Come on, Sven. Don't be too geizig, we call it in German. Maybe here, let's see if we find here something. Be nice. This is private, so I don't f around here.
Gold mine. More, yes. Not bad at all.
All right, I hope the farmer is happy when I clean up his field here. Yeah, there's also something, but also very lightweight, not a lot. To be exact, like it's...
My God. I will need one more bag. Oh. We collected everything. Yep, let's go.
People throw out garbage out of the window. Stupid people, probably 0.0 gram.
Not enough.
Oh, I have a lot. Oh no.
Trying to do the impossible. Garbage. What is this? Let's move on. Oh, I found good spot. I think I found a good spot. Gonna check this out now. Let's cross the road. Tack. And we go down there. Let's see where we can go here down. Abfall. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, we want to go over here maybe. Because like, I think on this road it will be pretty empty. But maybe here. Let's try. Oh!
Oh, I found Abfall. Oh, I found Abfall. Here is some Abfall. I think we need bigger bag for this.
It's empty. Everything is empty.
Oh, this is nice. Look at what I just found. This piece right here will save my ass. Trash is getting too heavy. There's so much. There's literally a lot. Okay, it's in here. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. This is metal rod. We're 20 minutes in.
Happy for now. but we want more. More. We have something here. And I don't actually want to collect this thing because it's not heavy. I'm sorry, but not today. Next time.
I need another bag. Okay, so we're heading back to the car because I really need to change my bag. It's full. This is the bag already. Let's see on how is Dino doing.
Oh. Oh. Let's go away from here. Where to go? Right or left? Let's go there.
Hello. One thing, like my bag is kind of ripping.
Okay.
And I had one in car.
Okay.
I think I need another one. If you want also, car is open, so you can grab us also another bag if you want.
I don't know. I need to walk there again. I will do it.
Where are you?
I'm here behind the corner.
I don't know where he is. For the sake of it, I will wait.
You want to see what I found, huh?
All right, okay. I don't know how much Dino has, but the thing that kind of calms me a bit is that he said he didn't really need another bag.
I need to go for this bag. This one will break. Actually, I thought it will be less, but in some moments you think you are in India. Is he somewhere around? Maybe he's watching. Yeah, now we have
huge bag. There's nothing. What is this? Snooze. Maybe also more down the road. Here's construction also, but this one is super clean. Look at this. Look at this. Everything is sorted. Nothing really laying on the ground. Oh, this is Brennnessel. Oh, it stinks. It stinks. Brennnessel here. Look at this. It's hurting. Oh.
I think he has a lot because he was asking for the bigger bag. He must have a lot. Hello. For YouTube. Merci. People are asking, why are we cleaning? I don't know, because it's dirty.
I will walk down this road and see if there's any trash. Camera is getting heavy. My bag is also getting heavier.
I think he's dying now. He has a big camera on a stick. He needs to hold it all the time. If you want to help Sven, please donate like small amount.
You don't have to walk a lot. You'll find heavy items. Bro, I found copper. Like, you can sell this. It's like probably 8 francs per kilo or something. Who lost his underwear? I don't really want to pick this.
Luckily, we have these things. Oh, yes. Ah, is this a marker? Nice.
Is it shitting or something? What the f***? Yeah, I throw it in there. Eyes closed and threw it in. Wow. Oh my God, come on.
We are good. And we have 10 more minutes.
Let's walk in this direction if there's something maybe here on the edge. Oh my God, it stinks.
They jumped on the main road, and here is basically everything clean.
It's too clean. Here, this spot is not good at all. Very, very bad spot to pick up trash. That's it.
Oh, we found another part. Oh my God.
I just found something. Okay, here is handy protection. Yeah, why is Dino not calling me?
Somebody was having a good night. I think I'm done. I have like 2 more minutes.
Let's go. I'm walking into the place right now. Yeah, he's over there. He's over there. I don't know how much trash he has. He acted kind of suspicious. Yo. Yeah, now you laugh, huh? Now you laugh. I don't think your laugh will be long term.
Time is up. and the bags are way more heavier than we expected.
Let's turn on the scale. Should I go first?
You go first, but
Yes, I need to go first without the bag, so
Without the
we can
trash,
measure
let's see.
my body weight. 67.7.
7.
Okay, okay.
70.8. And now, the moment.
Moment of truth. Who wins this challenge?
Who is winning this challenge?
I never lifted your bag, so I don't know how heavy it is. Okay, okay, it will be interesting. It will be interesting.
Let's see.
Oh, 71.9. Nice. Congratulations, bro. An hour and few kilometers later, we collected 7 kilograms of trash.
Is Switzerland the cleanest country? Maybe, but is it spotless?
Definitely not.